Hello everyone, for today's video. Today I'm going to harvest vegetable from my garden in my backyard of my house. I get some sweet potato leaves, water spinach which like kangkong, sweet potato like kamuti, and also saluyot, okra, lemongrass, and tomato, and basils. So it's really fresh. And by the way, it's raining 3 days straight, so I'm going to other garden. As you can so add more okras. We have a lot of okras, fruit okras, and chili for lauoy. We call lauoy. So we have fruit in the backyard. We call jujube, and as you can see, the sky, the cloud is very dark because it's raining. So thank you for watching my video. And also look at the big bell pepper or American bell pepper. So that's my puppy. His name is Jack and Yu. And I have shrimp, salmon fish with potato. As you can see, I skinned the sweet potato. I boiled water, put some lemongrass, onion, and tomato. And also the sweet potato, squash. And I add shrimp, fresh shrimp with head, and also salmon fish. Now I boiled it, and I add okra, fresh from my garden. It's really good. We call lauoy. So normally, especially the weather is cold, we always make this soup. Like lauoy soup is very healthy because no oil. And also I add Himalayan salt and dried baby shrimp. You have to try, guys. It's really good. And then now we have to put the vegetable like water spinach, sweet potato leaves, saluyot, or kangkong means water spinach, malabar spinach. Now our lauoy soup, it's ready to serve. You need to try, guys. It's so yummy. I don't eat rice. I replace the potato. As you can see, the white is potato instead rice. Thank you so much for watching. Follow more, like, share, subscribe. Thank you. And now we have to taste it. Thank and God bless. See you in my next video. And don't forget to post the notification bell.